Hi guys, so welcome to my review of the BM800. Binili ko to sa Lazada for almost 900 pesos kasama na tong BM800 and itong boom arm. So package na siya, so sobrang good deal siya kasi nga 900 lang, may complete set ka ng microphone and boom arm. Quick review lang, okay naman yung quality ng mic, maganda yung sound quality and yung build quality. If you're looking to plug it straight on your laptop, I would suggest bumili kayo ng USB sound card na marami naman na bibili sa Lazada. Itong sound na naririnig nyo ngayon is straight from the USB sound card plugged into the USB, and then doon ko sinaksak ngayon yung microphone. And then mamaya pakirinig ko sa inyo kung anong sound quality yung audio straight to the laptop microphone jack. So guys, ito yung sound quality ng mic kung straight nyo siyang isasaksak sa audio jack o sa microphone in ng laptop or ng computer nyo. So kung mapapansin nyo, maraming background noise. Katulad yan, yung kapitbahay namin ngayon is nagbi-video okay. So mas pronounced yung background sound or noise compared kung isasaksak nyo siya at mag-avail kayo ng murang-murang USB sound card. I will leave a link dun sa product na nabili ko. So, mura lang naman siya. So, check the link on the description na lang. All in all, okay naman yung quality ng microphone, and for its price, sobrang sulit na rin siya. I highly suggest sa mga beginners like me to magsimula dito sa microphone na to kasi simple lang naman siyang gamitin. At the same time, mura lang siya and sulit for its price. Yun lang muna. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.